everyone, my name is Lena. I'm the compounding pharmacist at HB Pharmacy. Today we're just going to be going over how to use this device called MD Syringe. So when you initially receive the syringe, your syringe will be locked with the notch facing left. When you're ready to give the dose, just click it to the right and push down, and that should give you the metered dose, the exact dose that your pet needs. And then you can also just shoot it right into the mouth as your pet is licking it. Generally, we do advise that you store the MD syringe with the tip facing down to prevent any air bubbles from getting trapped inside. And that is how you use an MD syringe. So if you have any questions or would like to review the MD syringe to us, give us a call at 201-997-2010.